everybody, James here, back with the JJ team, and here's Jennifer.
The wifey.
Yep, so the JJ resale team has another box to open up. This one is from liquidation.com. The MSRP on this particular box was $3,336, and we won it on auction for just a little over $340 with shipping and fees. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this one up.
I'm excited.
Actually, I'll just cut the ribbons off here.
Oh, snap.
It's supposed to be like electronics and whatnot.
Kind of want to see if there's anything that we can keep. That's why I'm in the video.
Alright, got the box open.
What's the first item?
Let's see here. Looks like a AM/FM radio headset. Actually, in
okay.
Here.
We have a couple.
GPX radio little headsets here.
The box is kind of like opened, but we'll find out if it works.
Yeah.
We'll test all these things.
Next up, we have some
Those batteries.
railback batteries that look like for watch or hearing aids, maybe. Let me take a look at those. You want to grab something, or?
I don't know. I could just dive into the box. It's not big enough for me.
Well, let's see here. An Alcal Tetra AT&T prepaid cell phone. It's been opened but resealed. Again, we're going to have to check with these to make sure that they're in good condition and even working. What is this?
And don't mind the dog snoring. She's normal like that.
These look like cameras.
Huh.
Samsung cameras.
Nice.
Very nice.
Interesting. Samsung is a good brand, so
Yes. Oh,
we'll see.
more batteries.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. So we got some more batteries here.
For electronics.
Okay.
So we'll kind of Google search and find out what these are good for.
Oh, okay, I see.
And we'll put it in the description below.
So it looks like we have some Pelican phone cases for the iPhone 6s, 7, and 8. Another one.
Ooh.
And another one. Pelican's actually a good, stable, sturdy brand, so. We have another prepaid cell phone.
Burner phone. Just kidding. But not
Another
really.
prepaid cell phone.
How many do we have? That's a smartphone,
Yep.
cell phone.
These are all smartphones, by the way. Here's another one.
Does it
Some more batteries.
say what brand?
Nope. But this one's actually open, so let me open it.
Yeah, let's find out. They're not all the same, it looks like.
No, not all of them.
That's good.
Ooh.
Need individuality.
Ooh. But they are still in their wrapping.
Well, you know.
We'll have to turn them on and test them. It looks like the charging stuff and everything is still inside. Hopefully
that's
you can see
good.
that.
Yeah.
We have quite a few of those.
Can I
Here's
grab the
another one. Huh?
Where's the box? Right here?
There. We got a couple more Pelican cases. This one's clear for the 6 phone S Plus and the 7 Plus. Looks like it'll work on the 8 Plus also. Oh, this will work on the 8 Plus. The other ones will not.
Nice.
But Pelican is a good brand for sure.
Has a screen protector, a holster, and a lifetime guarantee. Military grade drop protection. So, looks like these are probably going to be pretty legit.
And we have more railback batteries.
Who's got batteries? We do.
We do.
We just don't know what they're for.
Check this out. 4
What's that?
gigabyte digital recorder from GPX.
Nice.
These are in case you know. Gotta take a note. Ooh, check this out. A Sparrow Pro foldable smart drone with Wi-Fi camera. Is it in the box? It is.
That's good. We've had situations where things are not in the box. So.
And it looks like it's still in one piece.
Mm-hmm. And it's pretty lightweight. It feels like it could probably fly pretty high. I think we'll have some fun tomorrow.
A battery and some propellers inside.
What type of batteries does it take?
This, like a little battery pack.
Oh.
It looks like this is even still wrapped up. The battery's never even been opened, it looks like.
Neat. We're going to be testing these out tomorrow.
Cool.
I'm going to go outside. It's still allowed.
Ooh, haven't seen these in a little while. 8 gigabytes Bluetooth MP3 players. They look like they're red. Sound like they're in the box. I have to check for sure. This one sounds
Let me see.
a little loose.
I'll take it. Look at it.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Just so everybody knows, we're gonna be getting a better microphone system shortly. We just got a tripod today, so.
The only thing that's wiggling around is the cord.
Yeah.
Because the actual device is still in the package.
And it's pretty small.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we won't go there.
Looks like Nintendo Switch controllers to put the pads in. These look like they've been returned.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you. These are... We'll have to plug them in and find out if these work.
We have a USB PlayStation cord.
Are these supposed to be in a box?
No. Some of them didn't show in the box.
Okay. That's good. We'll put those
This
right
is
there.
an interesting PlayStation cord. It's called a snake bite. So I think it's like a mock controller. We got a couple
I don't
more.
play video games.
Couple more Switch handles.
Okay. Nice. We'll have Switch handles for days, ladies and gentlemen. For days.
We got some more 8 gigabyte Bluetooth players.
8 gigabytes. Oh my goodness.
And
We're at 32 and 64 these days.
I'm not sure what this is.
Let me see.
Looks like a speaker of some kind.
Yeah. You could put a micro SD. You could pair it. You can.
Couple more digital recorders by GPX.
Putting all the recorders right here.
Ooh, another drone.
Yeah, baby.
And another drone.
There we go.
These are nice.
Thank you.
Those will
I
probably
like the
sell
little
really
stuff
quick.
because then we can put it on the shelves and it's not taking up a whole lot of space. And they're easy to ship.
These are charging cables for something or other. We will,
will
probably find out. We also have another recording device. Quite a few of
recording
those.
devices there. We're making a tower. We're going to play Jenga.
Ooh, this one actually still has the receipt on it from Walmart.
Oh.
This is a an ICO charge base. It says doesn't work, probably.
We'll see. We'll test out that theory.
We'll test it out. This is for...
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, but the boxes may not be. I don't know. It's pretty secure, so I'm sure that, like, it's fine.
Yeah, this thing says doesn't work all over it. I think I'm going to take the word of the receipt, but it will be available for parts if you need it. It looks like it's supposed to be a Nico or an ICO charging base for Xbox wireless Xbox remotes.
Fun. We have cords. These look very similar to every other cord we have in our box.
More Switch handles.
Oh, yay. Okay, I'm going to put these down here because...
Alright.
don't want to
Another
fall again.
Nyko Charge Base Plus. This one looks like it's in better condition. Just beat the crap box. And this one's for the PlayStation controllers.
Neat.
Ooh.
Puzzle the cords with it.
These look like shelf bowls.
What are they?
Mini glow drones.
Oh, nice.
And small batteries.
That'd be good in the dark.
We
For
have
camping.
another one of those.
I think we might keep one. We have to test them out.
Right.
We have to make sure they're good quality.
Ooh, we got some beat up Xbox controllers.
How did the batteries get over here?
I don't know. This one's wired. It's an Xbox controller. Actually,
I
it
like
looks
it.
like all these are wired.
Yeah, this one's camo. Blue camo.
This one is Minute. Oh, it's black.
Okay.
This is another corded Thundercloud camo.
Nice. Black and green.
Check, make sure this is in here. Super
Yeah.
Mario 3 Switch controller.
That's cool. Everybody loves Super Mario, right?
Here, we'll show this one here in a second.
Okay.
There you are.
Thank you. That's pretty neat. I like it. It looks like
Ooh.
the
A box that's not beat up.
sweet.
This one is also wired.
And it's camo, blue and black.
Another wired controller, black.
Okay. Well done.
And I don't know about the wired ones going. This is a charging station. Includes 2 rechargeable battery packs.
Neat.
We'll have to make sure that they're actually in there.
Kind of sounded a little jiggly.
Yeah, this one is also open. So
We don't have an Xbox, so this does not help us very well, but it might help you.
it looks like everything's in here, but it's definitely going to be an open box buy. It's
Yeah.
for charging wireless controllers, wireless Xbox One controllers.
Nice.
So definitely going to be an open box. And we have 2 of them. Thank you. This one actually isn't that bad. The boxes are in pretty beat up shape, but
Yeah.
Thundercloud camo wired and another black wired.
We'll have to rebox them because it looks like when they put them back,
Yeah.
they did not
They
put
put
them
it
back
backwards.
correctly.
But lots of wired controllers.
Oh my
Those probably
goodness.
won't go for very much. Ooh, here's a nice one. Night Cloud camo.
It's like the blue and black one. Soft touch finish.
Ooh, my favorite thing. And these are wrapped, brand new still.
Yay! He loves those because they're the easiest to sell on eBay.
So, first thing we have for Xbox One is a fully brand new wrapped NBA Live.
For you sports fans.
FIFA 17. We have 2 of those, brand new, wrapped. Oh man.
What?
PC games, those don't usually sell very well.
What are these? World of Simulators. Nice. Hey, this might actually be pretty awesome.
Maybe.
And then Professional Farmer.
Check this out too here. We got another NBA Live 18. Fully factory sealed.
Oh, yes.
Ooh,
Let me-
this one's not sealed, but let's make sure it's
Just
in there.
Dance.
Just Dance Disney Party 2.
It's on the Wii U.
Yep.
Nice. We don't have a Wii U either. So
So,
this doesn't really help
but
us.
this disc is in immaculate condition.
Yeah. We just can't
So.
keep it. Sad.
Yeah. For the Wii U. First one, I think it's our first Wii U game.
Yeah. We haven't had one of these before.
Ooh, here's another professional farming DVD-ROM.
If you want to
Simulator.
learn how to be a farmer.
Ooh, here's NBA Live 19. And another FIFA 17. all factory sealed.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, we got another mini glow.
This might be fun for the summertime, especially at night when you can't see the drone.
And the last two items in the box. Samsung Galaxy J3 Luna Pro for Simple Mobile. Same thing right here.
Who owns a burner phone?
And you know what? It's still in there, and it's got the plastic protective screen still on the case.
What's this one?
So these are in great shape.
Oh, this one's taped.
So, yeah, that's it. That's all. So if you see anything here that you like, just let us know on Facebook Messenger. If you're watching this on eBay, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always...
You mean YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
You can't like and subscribe on eBay.
Why not?
I wish it was a thing, but it's really not.
Yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe and share. And again, this one came from liquidation.com. We will have a new microphone coming on Monday. And as always, thank you for watching and have a good evening.